Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're going to look at the progress on the Port Royal Street revampment project. Oh, they've started to paint the lines in the road, which is very good. Now they've only done one side, not sure why, but at least it's one step closer to being completed. Now the actual road is finished, it's just for the white lines to go on it. And as you can see, it's 3 lanes in either direction. They've painted one side of this road with the white lines. Now this project was to help with the traffic going into and out of downtown Kingston. So if you're coming from the airport, this is the road you would use to get into downtown Kingston, Port Royal Street. And it runs all the way to, it actually takes you right through downtown Kingston. So this is a very busy road. So the government decided to revamp it, I guess, renovate it. And I'm sure why they call it a revampment project. But the road has been upgraded. It's a very nice road now. They've built a boardwalk, and you're going to see it. I'll point it out when we get there. They've built a parking space, a parking lot where persons can park and go fishing. So they're trying to bring life or bring more activity and tourism to downtown Kingston. This is actually central Kingston, which is in the downtown Kingston area. So here you can see this is a parking lot where you can park and go fishing or walking on the boardwalk. Now this boardwalk concept, they did it on Palisade Strip, and it's very popular. People walk, jog. There you can see the boardwalk. So they built the same type of boardwalk for persons to use. And as you can see, that's the Kingston Harbour. So where just persons could go and fish, or just walk on the boardwalk, or jog. Okay, now this is the actual road, the Port Royal Street. They haven't painted this side of the road with the lines yet, but as you can see, it's 3 lanes going in this direction. Very nicely done. So you're going to find traffic flows into and out of downtown Kingston much easier. And Port Royal Street takes you right through downtown Kingston and it merges onto Marcus Garvey Drive. So if you're leaving the airport and you want to go to Portmore or Spanish Town, this is the road you would take. So it was an excellent job by the government to renovate this road. It really will help with the flow of traffic. Now the only thing left for this road to be officially completed is the white lines, which they've started, and putting in some street lamps on the boardwalk. I don't think they're putting in any more or any additional stoplights. It would have been done already. Okay, now this is another section of the boardwalk where you see those pipes, the white pipes coming out of the road. That is it's not the road, the boardwalk. That's where the street lamps are going to go. And then we're going to continue on Port Royal Street now and go into the downtown area. Here you can see some police officers at work. Okay, now that building straight ahead, that's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building. It's a new building. All the way to the left, that's the Bank of Jamaica building, and the building with the black glass, that's the Scotia Centre, and the building with the 100 on it, that's the Grace Kennedy building. And the BOJ building and the Scotia building, the Scotia Centre, are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, and naturally the tallest buildings in downtown Kingston. And all these buildings that you see here overlook the Kingston Harbour. So we're now on Port Royal Street, heading towards or driving through downtown Kingston. now passing over the intersection with East Street. This is another one way, so you would have to turn left. Okay, we're now passing over the intersection with Duke Street, and that's also a one-way, so you'd have to turn right. Now passing over the intersection with Church Street. Straight ahead at the light is King Street. King Street, you can turn left or right. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection with Ocean Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.